does not exist in a vacuum. It exists in a world drowning in $36 trillion of United States debt. It exists in a world where the bond market is rebelling against the central banks. It exists in a world where the full faith and credit of the empire is being questioned for the first time in 80 years. Now, we have to zoom out. We are going to look at the macro storm that is about to make landfall in the first quarter of 2026. I'm going to explain why the upcoming debt ceiling crisis in Washington is the trigger event that sends commodities into the stratosphere. We are going to analyze the bond vigilantes who are driving interest rates higher, forcing the Fed to print money just to keep the government solvent. And I am going to show you why silver is not just an industrial metal anymore. It is a currency lifeboat. The physical squeeze lights the fuse, but the monetary collapse provides the explosion. Let's look at the debt. While you're celebrating the new year, the politicians in Washington are preparing for a war. In February of 2026, the United States hits the debt ceiling. Again, we have seen this movie before. They fight, they threaten to default, they shut down the government, and then they raise the limit. But this time is different, because this time, the interest on the debt has exploded. The US government is now paying over $1 trillion a year just in interest payments. That is more than the defense budget. That is more than Medicare. It is mathematically unsustainable. So when the debt ceiling fight starts next month, the market is going to panic. Credit rating agencies, Fitch, Moody's, will threaten to downgrade the US credit rating again. Foreign nations will stop buying treasuries because they are scared of a technical default. This creates a crisis of confidence. When investors lose confidence in the risk-free asset, US bonds, where do they go? They go to the assets that have no counterparty risk, gold and silver. During the last debt ceiling crisis, gold rallied. This time, with silver already in a shortage, the rally will be amplified. Silver acts as a credit default swap on the US government. As the probability of government chaos rises, the price of silver rises,